Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up TikTok Shop affiliate in the Philippines. So let's get started. Now, the first thing to know is that not everyone can immediately become an affiliate because TikTok has a few requirements. First, you need to be at least 18 years old and have around 1,000 followers. And you must have an active account with recent posts, plus your account needs to be in good standing with no violations. TikTok Shop affiliate is available in Southeast Asia, including Philippines, so you're good to go if you meet those. Now, once you meet all those requirements, then you'll see the option to be an affiliate. To see this, go ahead and open your TikTok app. And from here, you want to tap the menu at the upper right corner of the screen. From here, choose TikTok Studio. And inside, you should see an option to join the TikTok Shop affiliate program, again, if you meet those requirements. And once you tap it, you'll go through a quick setup where you agree to the terms and complete your profile. After that, you'll get access to the affiliate marketplace, and that is where you can browse products from different sellers and choose items you want to promote. And basically, that's it. You want to set up your account, choose products, create content, and start earning from your videos. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!